This is the soldering mat and electronics repair mat. There are 17 accessory zones, 10 screwdriver slots, 1 tool zone, 3 magnetic areas, and compartments to hold screws, small parts, and tools. This mat helps keep your workbench tidy and prevents items from rolling around and getting lost. It's made from premium soft silicone. It can withstand excessive heat. It is very easy to clean and it's non-slick, so it makes it very nice to work with. So as you can see here, I've got all these little spots for all my tools to organize them to keep them from staying put and not rolling around. I'm gonna be working on this laptop here. It doesn't move very easily on here, so don't have to worry about it slipping away as I'm working on it. And I got a nice spot here to keep track of my parts that I am removing from my laptop. As you can see here, I got a magnetic spots that are throughout here, so they stay put and they don't roll around easy. And if this gets bumped or moves, it stays put. Just to put this away and to store it, it's just very easy to roll it up here. Rolls up real nicely, makes it very easy and simple to store, and it doesn't take up much space.